Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium. Just wanted to give you guys a personal holiday message and say happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there who's watching. And we are very thankful here at Razor Emporium for you, our valued customer. You know, this business over the years has grown tremendously. Our capabilities have increased, our product selections have increased, but it all comes down to you, the customer. We wouldn't be able to do any of this without the support and patronage of our customers who come to our website, come to our YouTube channel, and participate in our community and give back to us. So we just want to say thank you. And we also wanted to announce a couple new things we're carrying here at Razor Emporium and some deals here on Black Friday. So the doorbuster, you're not going to be busting down our door necessarily, but we do want to offer this to you guys. The new old type replica handle is going to be on a doorbuster special today. We want to blow these things out. We made 500 of them. I hope we sell all of them this weekend. But it is a solid brass machine handle that's been nickel plated, and it features a threaded ball and threaded neck, so it should never feature that crack like the original ones always did. So, and it's universal threaded. If you don't want to use it on an old type razor, you can use it on your favorite, you know, any standard head, 3-piece head will fit on this threading. So you can get it also with the cap and guard like this as a separate product. If you want that old type shaving experience, we got you covered. Also, we have a brand new gift set, I should say, of Parasso items. This is the new Cypress and Vetiver beard wash. So if you are someone who's got the facial fur and it needs a little love, or if you have someone in your life who's got a beard, this is an awesome gift for the holidays. Comes in this really cool commemorative tin container, so it makes an instant gift, no need to wrap it. And last but not least, I want you guys to know that this is the one and only time we do a 20% off coupon on the entire store. It's only this weekend for Black Friday, and it's something we do just one time a year to really say thank you to our customers. So whether you need a revamp service, whether you want to buy a product, or even our new Rex adjustable, whatever you want to get, 20% off the entire store, excluding kits, because they already are discounted to get that kit price, and Phoenix Artisan accoutrements. So thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're not already subscribed, this is our YouTube channel. It looks pretty cool, right? You can catch weekly videos by subscribing, and we'll see you next time. And this shirt, we auction off one every single week, so just by leaving a comment on our YouTube videos, you are entered in to win our official black and blue Razor Emporium t-shirt. Happy holidays, have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.